Introducing iCafe with Kodisoft's interactive restaurant technology, powered by Intel. The interactive restaurant technology is an innovative way to create an engaging experience for customers. It brings the best of online experiences people enjoy into the physical restaurant space, blending the customer's virtual experience with reality. From menu options to placing an order and even having access to your personal social media accounts, the tabletops are truly immersive. The business benefits for this new technology are just as impressive. Data from restaurants already using the system show a sale uplift of 32%, with a return on investment in under a year. The restaurant experience is powered by Intel technology. The ultra-high-definition 4K multi-touch tables utilize Intel 4th generation Core i7 and Intel Edison processor technology. Kodisoft, iCafe and Intel, bringing you the interactive restaurants of the future today.